Homework normally.
Usually to do homework. And is it really necessary to use the computer for the homework, or is it just something you do because it's easier this way?
Depends.
It
I do
depends.
because it's kind of easy on that way.
So, but there is a reason for which you use your computer, because you need it, not just because it's easier this way, but because you need it. Why is the computer important in your life?
For searches on the internet.
For searches on the internet. This is the only thing you do?
Normally.
Usually,
Yeah.
yes. Don't you play a
Usually.
game?
What?
Don't you play any game?
Yeah, I play some games.
So you use your computer to play games, or you have a video game?
I use my computer to play some games.
So this is an important part of your life, right?
Right.
And what kind of computer do you use?
A kind of a desktop computer.
Okay, it's a desktop computer, but what kind? Is it a PC, a gamer PC, or is it just a random desktop computer?
It's
Uh,
a gamer PC.
it's a
PC.
gamer PC. Nice. So it shows me that you're probably a game lover, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Exercise number 2. You're going to answer some questions in the text. Okay, so let's go.
Thanks for including TAE Inc. in your article on the workplace technology. We have many types of computer at our disposal. First of all, employees receive desktop computers, but we only use those for word processing and spreadsheets. Of course, some programs are too powerful for our desktops, so many employees use the faster workstations, and we do have a few laptops and tablets. However, employees only use them on business trips. Most employees just answer emails with their smartphones. The new server provides access to all the printers. And finally, our mainframe process our largest data files. No need for a supercomputer yet.
So let's go, buddy. First of all, you already know what is a desktop computer, but what is a workstation?
Workstation,
Yeah,
mesa de trabalho, normalmente, lugar de trabalho.
yeah, it's related to that. So, as you said, as you read, they give computers to the employees, right? But these computers are not really fast. So there are workstations or computers not exactly that are not only theirs to use.
Yeah,
So a workstation is a place and a machine uh, which everybody can use, not together, but which everybody can use, and not exactly the ones which were given to the employees. All right.
all right.
Uh, so, and what is a mainframe, my
A
friend?
mainframe,
Yeah,
algo que seria principal, não?
yeah, yeah. But in a computer science context, what is a mainframe? A mainframe.
I don't know.
A mainframe. Imagine that you have a platform, okay,
Yeah,
like Facebook. All right.
yeah,
And imagine that Facebook is divided in many different applications, okay? You can
all
use
right.
the chat, you can use the feed, you can use I don't know if Facebook has it, but you can watch reels.
Yeah,
And each one of these applications, each one of these functions are different applications that are probably running in different servers, okay?
yeah, okay.
The mainframe is the main application which controls all of these other applications and makes the platform works all right. Okay.
Okay.
Another definition for mainframe is the main computer of an organization, for example. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go. Read the email about computers available at TEI Inc. Then choose the correct answers. First, what is the email about? Answer.
What computers the company uses?
What computers the company uses. According to the passage, employees use laptops when they respond to
Work
email, work on spreadsheets, process the largest file, or work outside of the office.
work outside of the office.
Work outside. Let's go.
Which of the following is not true?
The company has a mainframe. Is it true or not true?
It's true.
It's true. Employees get email on their smartphones. Is it
True.
true? Employees receive desktop computers.
True. Oh, no, wait.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, it's true. Okay.
And the only option, the desktop computers are faster than the workstations. Is it true?
False.
It's false, of course. 3. Complete the sentence and choose the correct word. Uh, my tablet or mainframe notifies me when I have a meeting. So, which word is the right here? Is the right one here?
Tablets?
Tablet, of course. I would use a mainframe to notify you. A mainframe is used to text tasks.
Yeah.
It has it needs to have a fast processor. It needs to have a lot of memory. Let's go.
I have a laptop or supercomputer to do work on a plane. I have a laptop to do a
Of
work on a
course,
plane.
I would not use a supercomputer on a airplane. Let's go.
John has a server or a desktop computer because he only uses simple programs. Has a desktop.
Exactly.
This computer or server runs programs but doesn't have internet access.
This,
This computer or server runs programs but
which one of
does
them will you choose? This is an interesting question.
yeah because it depends
Yeah,
on the
a
case.
server is a computer,
Yeah,
but it's a faster computer. It's a computer used only to process data. You know,
yeah.
we can say that a computer is more personal.
I think it's a computer
It's a
probably.
computer. It makes no sense for a server to not to have internet
Internet
access.
access.
No,
Yeah.
let's go. Number 5.
Number five. A workstation or tablet is smaller than a laptop, but it still has a keyboard. A tablet having a keyboard.
So workstation or a tablet is smaller
A
than a laptop.
tablet.
A tablet, but still has a keyboard. Yeah, this is kind of strange. Let's go.
Connect to the server laptop to use that printer. Connect to the server.
To this, connect to the server laptop. Choose the printer. Do you know what is a printer?
A printer, yeah, uma impressora.
Yeah, but why would you connect to the server to use the printer?
No, no, since it's more a laptop.
In this case, I think it's laptop. Okay,
Yeah,
let's go. 7.
A supercomputer or tablet is the most powerful machine in the world. A supercomputer.
Let's go. Match the words 1 to 3 with the definitions A to C. Okay? So,
Okay.
answer. What is a large and powerful computer that supports many other computers at once?
What?
What is a large and powerful computer that supports many other computers at once?
A workstation?
Oh, a mainframe. This is number 8. Number 8. Letter A, sorry.
Okay.
What is a fast computer that is used by one person and has more memory than an ordinary person computer?
Now it's workstation.
Now it's a workstation. A device that makes and receives calls and can connect to the internet. Pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
Smartphone, right?
Yeah.
So do you understand what is a mainframe now? A
Yeah.
mainframe is a computer which processes most of the data of an organization or platform. Okay? We need to remember that usually nowadays we have systems. We do not have only one application anymore. Every application you use nowadays are systems, are applications that use other applications. You know?
Okay.
So the mainframe is the main application. The other are just secondary. Okay,
Okay.
let's go. This one is going to use the audio again. Let's go.
Which of the following computers are not shared as TE Inc? The server?
Which?
The server. Letter A.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Answer to the question. Which of the following computers are not shared by employees at TAI Inc?
Shared by employees.
Yeah, it's which one of these 4 computers are not shared?
Laptops?
Laptops, of course. Laptop is completely personal. You cannot share it with other people.
Eu também não acho que alguém compartilharia um server pra alguém.
Of course it is. The server, everybody has access to the server. It's a shared application. You know?
Yeah.
We do not share. I do not agree on sharing the server. Like, come on here, let's share this server. But everybody uses the server together. You know? A server is used to serve data. It answers requisitions, requests. You know?
Uh-huh.
So everybody shares the same server here. Let's go. According to the dialogue, employees use this server to open programs, reserve workstations, log into or desktop. So to do this one, you are going to listen to the audio. You are going to need to listen to the audio. There's no other way. So let's go.
Book 1.
Pay attention to it, okay?
Okay.
Unit 1. Information Technology. Exercise 5, page 5.
IT department restructuring. DataPro Inc. is growing, and so our workload is increasing. But our IT department is not dealing with this increase effectively. So I am dividing the IT department into 3 sections: quality assurance, data processing, and information security. The responsibilities of each section are quality assurance, testing hardware, providing technical support, data processing, writing code, organizing data, information security, encoding online data transfers, updating security software. These changes are not simple or easy, but smaller groups deal with tasks more efficiently than larger ones. See your supervisors for your new section assignment. Thomas Jenkins, CEO, DataPro Inc.
Now, please, I'm going to run it again, okay?
Yeah.
Book 1. Unit 1. Information Technology. Exercise 5, page 5.
IT department restructuring. DataPro Inc. is growing, and so our workload is increasing. But our IT department is not dealing with this increase effectively. So I am dividing the IT department into 3 sections: quality assurance, data processing, and information security. The responsibilities of each section are quality assurance, testing hardware, providing technical support, data processing, writing code, organizing data, information security, encoding online data transfers, updating security software. These changes are not simple or easy, but smaller groups deal with tasks more efficiently than larger ones. See your supervisors for your new section assignment. Thomas Jenkins, CEO, DataPro Inc.
So please answer the following question.
What is the question?
Which section is responsible for helping people to understand technology? It's the same as giving IT support.
I don't remember.
Let's hear it again. Just a sec, please.
Book 1. Unit 1. Information Technology. Exercise 5, page 5.
IT department restructuring. DataPro Inc. is growing, and so our workload is increasing. But our IT department is not dealing with this increase effectively. So I am dividing the IT department into 3 sections: quality assurance, data processing, and information security. The responsibilities of each section are quality assurance, testing hardware, providing technical support, data processing, writing code, organizing data, information security, encoding online data transfers, updating security software. These changes.
So, do you know which section is responsible for providing uh, technology support?
Quality assurance.
IT assurance, exactly. Let's go. Next audio.
What?
Net audio.
Oh, okay.
Exercises 6 and
Back. Sorry. Let's go.
and 7, page 5. Excuse me, Mr. Hopkins. I have a question about the restructuring.
Please, come in. What's your question?
Well, I'm now in the quality assurance section.
Yes, you have a great understanding of hardware.
Thanks, but I have more experience with information security.
I see. You want to transfer then?
Exactly. I feel that I'm more valuable there.
Let me think about it.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Do you want to hear it again?
No.
So, exercise number 6. Listen to the conversation between the Pro Inc. employee and her supervisor. Choose the correct answers. What is the dialogue mainly about?
Requesting for a transfer.
Requesting for a transfer. Exactly. What can you infer about the employee?
Infer.
Yeah, to
She
infer,
has more experience with hardware. Not really hardware, though. I think that's it.
okay, she does not like her
News
section.
section.
We already know that she has experience with hardware because her boss says it.
Yeah.
But what we can infer, since he is asking to be transferred, is that she does not like her new section. Right?
Yeah.
Listen again and complete the conversation. Let's go. I'm going to send you the audio, okay?
Yeah.
And then you can complete the sentences using the audio by yourself. Right there. Let's go.
About the restructuring.
Restructuring.
Yeah.
Let's go. Restructuring. Second,
Quality assurance section.
quality
Assurance.
assurance section. Let's go.
Information security.
Information security.
You want a transfer.
Transfer.
Think about it.
Think about it. So let's go. From the start, do the reading.
Okay. Excuse me, Mr. Hopkins. I have a question about the restructuring. Please come in. What's your question? Well, I'm now in the quality assurance section. Yes, you have a great understanding of hardware. Thanks. But I have more experience with information security. I see. You want a transfer then?
A transfer.
Exactly. A transfer then. Then? Exactly. I feel that I'm more valuable there. Let me think about it.
Okay, let's go. Exercise number 8. The partner act out the roles below. This is an interesting expression. Act out. Have you ever seen it before?
Act out.
Do you know the meaning of it? To act out something.
Interpretar. Algo
Ah,
assim.
né? Exatamente. Uh, Based on test 7, then switch roles. Okay. Use language such as I have a question. I'm in the quality assurance section. I have more experience with student A. You are a supervisor. Speak with student B to find out current section, desired section, reason. Student B. You are an employee. Answer student A's questions. Make up name for your supervisor. So let's imagine I'm the supervisor, okay?
Yeah.
And you are asking me for a transfer. How would you do that? Imagine I'm Mr.
Uh,
Gabriel, okay? Mr. Gabriel.
Hello, Mr. Gabriel. I'm on the.
Okay, try to use these expressions, okay?
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Gabriel. I'm in the. What was the name of it?
I don't know, you choose.
Quality assurance section. I would like transfer because I have more experience with hardware.
Okay, but I have a question.
Yeah.
What don't you like the section in which you are right now?
Yeah, I like, but I think I will be more valuable on the hardware section.
Okay. Uh, all right. I'm going to think about it.
Thanks.
Writing. Use the conversation from task 8 to fill out the transfer request. This is employee's name. So, what is the employee's name here?
Ah, pela nossa conversa
Yeah,
ou Enzo?
Enzo, of course. Supervisor's name.
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Current section.
Era Quality Assurance.
Quality assurance. Requested section.
Hardware.
Okay, but what is hardware?
I don't remember the name.
IT support.
IT support.
Reason for the transfer request.
Because I think I will be more valuable there.
Because I think I'll be more valuable there. All right. Okay. Next audios.
Unit 2. Introduction to Computing Systems. Exercise 5, page 7.
From bruce.roberts@tei.com to chris.carter@techmagazine.net. TEI computers. Thanks for including TEI Inc. in your article on workplace technology. We have many types of computers at our disposal. First, all employees receive PDAs and desktop computers, but we only use those for word processing and spreadsheets. Of course, some programs are too powerful for desktops, so many employees use the faster workstations. And we do have a few laptops and handheld PCs. However, employees only use them on business trips. Most employees just answer email with their cell phones. The new server provides access to all printers. Finally, our mainframe processes our largest data files. No need for a supercomputer yet. Regards, Bruce Roberts.
So this is the audio from the text you just read, okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. Next one.
Exercises 6 and 7. Page 7. Exercises 6 and 7, page 7.
Here's your new office. John works in here too.
So, everyone has their own desktop computers. Do we have laptops?
Yes, that's your computer there. Laptops are in the IT department.
Okay, but I also need a workstation.
Right, you work on some powerful programs. Those are next door.
Do I sign up to use them? I mean, how do I get access to one?
Just log on to the server. All computers connect to it. Then click Reserve Workstation.
Thanks.
All right.
All right.
Were you able to understand it all?
Yeah.
Okay. So answer, please.
Yeah.
Choose the correct answers. Which of the following computers are not shared by employee at TIE? You already answered this one. Laptops, of course. According to the dialog, employees use the server to
Open programs.
reserve stations. So she asked the supervisor, how could she use the workstation? And he answered that all the computers, including the laptop she received, were connected to the server, and she could just log on to it, and reserve the station for her to use later. Okay,
Okay.
let's go. I'm going to send you the audio. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Desktop computer.
Desk.
IT department.
IT.
Workstation is the next.
Workstation.
Log on. Log on.
Log on.
Reserve.
Reserve. Let's go, Enzo, please. Read it from the start.
Here's your new office. John works in here too. So, everyone has their own desktop computer? Do we have laptops? Yes, that's your computer there. Laptops are in the IT department. Okay, but I also need a workstation. Right, you work on some powerful programs. Those are next door. Do I sign up to use them? I
Do
mean,
I sign? Sign.
do I sign up to use them?
Do not pronounce the letter G. Just sign. Sign.
Do I sign up
Mhm.
to use them? I mean, how do I get access to one? Just log on to the server. All computers connect to it, then click Reserve Workstation. Then click Reserve Workstation. Thanks.
So, by these dialogues, Enzo, you can understand more or less what is the relation between the server and the clients. Okay?
Yeah.
In IT, we say that a client is any machine. Of course, it's being used by a person, right? Or
Mhm.
but it can be just a device, not only a person. But it's any machine that requests something from the server. So we have a client server based structure, you know? So the
Yeah.
client asks for something, the server answers this question. All of the whole internet is created based on this concept of client server structure. Clay, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. With a partner, again, act out the rules below based on test 7. Then switch roles. Okay, use language such as, okay, but I also need a workstation. How do I get access to one? Then click reserve workstation. Now you're going to be the supervisor. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm new here and I'm thinking about getting a new laptop. Do you provide it?
I can provide it. It's the next door.
Okay, but I also need a workstation.
You have to go to the server and reserve workstation and say to and wait, sorry, and click to reserve a workstation.
But how do I connect to the server?
The server. You can do it on your laptop on the next door.
Oh, it's done automatically? Automatically?
Not really. You have to log on.
Okay. And then what do I need to do?
What?
Then what do I need to do after I log on the server? What do I need to do?
Reserve a workstation on
Ex-
the website.
Then I just need to click on reserve workstation. All right.
Yeah.
And finally, writing. Use the conversation from the task A to fill out these roles. So every employee has one in their office. What is it?
A laptop.
A work. No, no. Yeah, a desk. Okay.
Yeah.
These are available in the IT department.
A laptop.
A laptop. Why is it called laptop?
Porque é um computador que você pode levar para qualquer lugar e fica normalmente no seu colo.
Exactly. Good answer. Server. Uh, all computers. In this case, it's already answered. Of course, it's served. The server serves all computers. Uh, okay, log on to the server to reserve these. What?
Workstations.
Workstations. Exactly, buddy. Doing great. Let's go. Assembly instructions. First, gather your parts. These include motherboard, power supply, processor, case, heat sink, fan, RAM, expansion cards, and so on. So, Enzo, we can use these to, this is an assembly instruction, okay? It's the way you use an instruction to how to build something, okay? To how to
Okay.
build a computer. Not exactly how to build it. Yeah, how to build it. You're going to unite the pieces and match the socks, of course. It's building it. So it's a good opportunity to remind yourself of the names of parts of a computer. I think it's important to you to know since you want to work with technology. Okay.
Okay.
So first, gather your parts. Think that you are building a new computer, a new PC, and you are going to need to include some parts. The first is the motherboard.
Já, bacana.
Yeah, exactly. The power supply.
Power supply?
Yeah.
O nome disso, em português.
You have a power supply probably. It's something used to convert the energy from your house to your computer. A power supply of a
Modem?
notebook is this. This is a power supply.
Ah, acho que eu tenho,
But usually in desktops, it's inbound in the case. You know, ele fica integrado no gabinete, né? But it's also a power supply, okay? It is converting the energy from your house electric system to your computer. Processor, pretty easy, right?
Processador.
Yeah. Case.
Case é o gabinete.
Heatsink.
Heatsink.
Yeah. This is kind of complicated because when you see a heatsink, you do not imagine that it is a heatsink. You think it's part of the fan.
Então é alguma coisa do cooler.
Yeah, exactly. So you have the fan. You know,
Yeah.
the fan is the part the part that spins, and the heatsink is the metal part. Então é a vazão de calor de heatsink, é aquela parte de metal, né, que vai ligada no cooler, justamente para ajudar o calor a vazar, né? Heatsink, literalmente. Entendeu? RAM.
RAM?
Mas o que significa RAM?
Eu não lembro de cabeça.
Random Access Memory, ou seja, memória de acesso aleatório. Random Access Memory. Por que memória de acesso aleatório, né? Ou randômico nesse caso? Porque ela não é uma memória em que é armazenado dados de maneira fixa, né? E permanente. Ela é uma memória que você acessa o tempo todo enquanto você está utilizando. Por exemplo, esse aplicativo que eu estou utilizando aqui para compartilhar com você, os dados dele foram carregados na memória RAM. Por sua vez, vão ser carregados para que o processador consiga processar os dados e mostrar display isso aqui para mim. Entendeu? É diferente da memória fixa, né? Que o disco rígido, o SSD, em que a memória não é volátil. Ela fica lá, você salva, ela não se apaga mesmo que você desliga. Deixa o programa, enfim. Expansion cards.
Cartão de expansão.
Yeah, pretty literal. Hard drive.
HD.
Disk drive.
Disk drive?
Yeah.
Isso eu não sei.
Oh, hard drive is the drive. Is the hard part of the drive, the one that you put into the computer and never takes out. The disk drive is the drive that processes disks like DVDs and things like that. Is what you use. It is used to process and to run your disks, for example. You know?
Não.
Na verdade, é onde você coloca o CD ali, basicamente isso.
Eu tinha isso no computador antigo, no meu não tem mais.
This is a disk drive. It's not used anymore, you know? It's old-fashioned. It's outdated. Fora de moda, ultrapassado, né? Old-fashioned, fora de moda. Outdated, ultrapassado. Alright?
Yeah.
So, Enzo, I'm going to finish this class now, okay? I'm not going to start another exercise because they're not there will not be enough time to finish the lesson, so it doesn't make sense to make right now. I've sent you the audio, okay? I've also
Okay.
sent you the content in the on Monday of the last week, I think. Sure. But you also have this content. But if you cannot find it, you can find it on the students content in the students content directory, or you can ask me to send you. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it for today, my friend. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Stay tuned and see you on Wednesday. Bye. Have a good
Bye.
night.
Good night.